Citizen Quartz WR50 watch band. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dan. In today's video, I'm just going to quickly show you that my watch band broke, and this is Citizen WR Quartz 50. Here how it looks, and I'm going to put the full model number in the description box below. And I've been wearing this for, I would say, like 4 or 5 years, but I don't wear continuously. I wear sometime for a while and then just switch to another watch. Now I kind of like this band. It looks very nice, and the watch is very nice as well. This is not too expensive, but I just noticed yesterday that there's something wrong with the band. So for example, if you take a look right here, the band kind of broke and this part is coming off and it's very sharp. So let me just see if camera can show you better. So if you can see right here, you're going to see the the gap, and it looks like there's something broken here, or this is kind of not good anymore, and this can actually cut your skin. So this is not safe to wear anymore, but because accidentally if I get a scratch or something, it's going to be a big cut because it's very sharp. So for example, if you look here, you can see that there's no gap or opening. But if you take a look here, now you can see that there's huge gap, and in the edge or the corner, these are really sharp. So for that reason, I'm unable to use this watch anymore. So at this point, I'm not thinking of changing it, because I'll just switch to another watch, and I don't see the point spending, let's say, $30 or $50 on another band. I have owned this watch for quite a while, and I have lots of other watches to wear on a daily basis. So I'm going to just leave it here. However, I was expecting this wouldn't happen, because this is a Citizen brand. Regardless of the price of the watch, it just it kind of made me a little bit upset that this thing happened. So I just wanted to show you guys. So I'm going to put a link in the description box below for more watch videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.